Welcome back to Effortless Marketing, the podcast that makes marketing simple and actionable for small business owners. I'm your host, Haley Hodge, and today's episode is all about mastering social media. Specifically, how to choose the best platforms and create content that actually resonates with your audience. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of social platforms out there, you are definitely not alone. Let's break it down together. Here's the first truth. You don't need to be everywhere at once. In fact, trying to keep up with every platform often leads to burnout and, frankly, watered-down results. The key is to focus your energy where your audience spends their time. So, how do you figure out which platforms are right for your business? Let's start with a quick overview of the big players. Facebook remains a heavyweight, especially for local businesses and those targeting adults over 30. Instagram is a visual playground, great for brands with eye-catching products or stories, and ideal for connecting with millennials and Gen Z. LinkedIn is the go-to for B2B services, consultants, and anyone looking to network in a professional setting. TikTok, of course, has exploded for short-form video and younger audiences, while Twitter, now known as X, is the hub for real-time conversation and trending topics. Meta has a new app called Threads that mimics the structure of X, but it is focused on story-based content. And don't forget Pinterest, the visual search engine, which is perfect for lifestyle, food, and craft-focused businesses. So, how do you make the choice? Start by thinking about your business goals and the type of content you enjoy creating. Are you hoping to showcase before and afters of your work? Instagram and Pinterest might be your best friends. Do you want to establish yourself as a thought leader or connect with other businesses? LinkedIn could be the place for you. But it's not just about your preferences, it's about where your customers are. Ask yourself, who is my target customer? Where do they look for inspiration or solutions? If you run a local boutique, you might find your customers are scrolling Instagram for style ideas or checking Facebook for local events. If you're a B2B consultant, your audience is probably networking on LinkedIn or joining relevant groups on Facebook. For a craft shop, Pinterest can drive massive traffic from DIY enthusiasts searching for project ideas. Don't be afraid to test. Try posting on 2 platforms for a month. Then check your engagement stats. Where are you getting the most likes, comments, or messages? Use simple data to guide your decisions. And don't hesitate to drop a platform if it doesn't serve your business. The bottom line, focus on the platforms that align with both your business goals and your audience's behaviors. You'll get better results and save your sanity by doing a few things well, rather than spreading yourself too thin. Up next, we'll dive into how to create content that genuinely connects with your audience, no matter which platform you choose. Let's talk about the heart of social media, your content. It's one thing to be on the right platform, but what you share there truly determines your impact. So how do you craft posts that don't just get scrolled past, but actually resonate and engage your audience? It all starts with understanding who you're speaking to. Think about your ideal customer, their challenges, their dreams, and what lights them up. Are they looking for quick DIY hacks, expert advice, or maybe a bit of inspiration to brighten their day? The better you know your audience, the more you can tailor your content to fit seamlessly into their lives. Storytelling is huge on social media. People crave authenticity and connection. Instead of just showcasing your product or service, try sharing the story behind it. Maybe it's how you came up with a new product idea, or a behind-the-scenes look at your creative process. Even small anecdotes about daily wins or lessons learned can make your brand feel more human and relatable. Don't be afraid to mix up your content types. A single photo can be powerful, but videos and carousels often get more attention and can tell a more complete story. Polls and interactive stickers on Instagram stories, for example, invite real-time participation. Live streams are an excellent way to engage directly and answer questions on the spot. Play around and see what your audience responds to best. Consistency is key, not just in how often you post, but in your brand's voice and visuals. Whether your tone is playful, empowering, or informative, keep it steady across posts. Use a consistent color palette and style so your followers instantly recognize your content in their feed. And let's not forget captions. A great caption can turn a simple image into a conversation starter. Ask questions, invite opinions, or use call to actions like tag a friend who needs to see this, or what's your favorite way to use this product? Small prompts like these can significantly boost your interaction rates. Timing matters too. There's no magic hour, but posting when your audience is most active can make a big difference. Experiment with different days and times and use your platform's analytics to spot patterns. Finally, encourage your community to get involved. Share customer testimonials, repost user-generated content, and celebrate your followers. Not only does this build trust, but it also turns your audience into enthusiastic advocates for your brand. Coming up, we'll explore how AI-powered marketing tools can make content creation faster, easier, and more effective. So stay tuned. Let's dive into one of the most exciting developments in marketing right now: the use of AI-powered tools to make content creation easier and more impactful for small businesses. If you've ever felt stuck staring at a blank screen or scrambling to keep up with posting schedules, AI marketing might just be your new secret weapon. First off, AI isn't just for huge corporations or tech wizards. Today's tools are designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, making them accessible to anyone. No special training required. This means, as a small business owner, you can harness the same smart technology that big brands use, but in a way that fits your needs and budget. So, what exactly can AI do for your social media content? For starters, it can help you brainstorm post ideas. Think of it as your own digital creative partner. Say you're struggling to come up with fresh content for next week. AI can suggest trending topics relevant to your business, help you write catchy captions, or even generate engaging visuals that match your brand style. Imagine having a smart editor at your fingertips, one that not only corrects grammar, but also enhances your message and keeps your tone consistent. Another huge advantage is time savings. AI-driven automation can handle repetitive tasks like scheduling posts, analyzing which content performs best, and even responding to simple customer inquiries. This frees you up to focus on the creative and strategic parts of your business, not just the daily grind. Personalization is another area where AI shines. With just a few inputs about your audience, AI can help you tailor your content so it speaks directly to your target customers. Whether that means adjusting the language, tone, or even the timing of your posts. This kind of customization used to take hours of manual work. Now it can be done in minutes. And let's not forget performance tracking. AI tools can analyze engagement data in real time, giving you actionable insights on what's working and what's not. If a certain post format or topic is resonating, you'll know right away, allowing you to double down on what your audience loves. One of the biggest misconceptions about AI marketing is that it's complicated or expensive. In reality, most modern AI tools are designed for simplicity. They fit right into your existing workflow, taking care of the heavy lifting so you can focus on building genuine connections with your audience. Up next, we'll spotlight some essential tools, both AI-powered and traditional, that can elevate your social media game and make your marketing more efficient than ever. When it comes to boosting your social media presence as a small business, having the right toolkit can make all the difference. Let's break down a few essential tools, both AI-powered and traditional, that can help you keep your online presence sharp, engaging, and stress-free. First up are AI-driven content creation tools, such as Smart Editor and Craft Buddy. These platforms are designed to take the guesswork out of content creation. Imagine having a digital assistant that can generate post ideas, polish your messaging, and ensure your content always feels on brand. For example, Smart Editor can help you craft compelling social media posts, suggest improvements, and even check for tone consistency, so every update sounds authentically you. Craft Buddy goes a step further, assisting with visual design, creating templates, and saving you hours you'd otherwise spend fiddling with graphics or layouts. But AI isn't the only player in the game. Traditional scheduling platforms like Buffer, Later, or Hootsuite let you plan and automate your posts across multiple platforms. This means you can batch create a week's worth of content in one sitting and let the software handle the timing. Analytics dashboards, whether built into your social platforms or as standalone tools, are critical for tracking what's working. They give you clear, actionable insights, like which posts are driving engagement or leading to actual sales, so you can steer your efforts in the right direction. Integration is the real game changer. By combining AI content creators with scheduling and analytics tools, you create a seamless workflow. Picture this. You use CraftBuddy to design a week of posts, Smart Editor to refine your messaging, then upload everything to your scheduler. As your posts go live, analytics tools track the results, giving you instant feedback so you can adjust your strategy on the fly. It's a well-oiled system that saves time, reduces stress, and helps you focus on what matters most: connecting with your audience. Affordability and ease of use are non-negotiables for small business owners. Thankfully, most of these tools offer free tiers or affordable subscriptions, and they're built to be intuitive, even if you're not a tech expert. The key is to pick tools that fit your specific goals. If visual content is your strength, prioritize design tools. If scheduling overwhelms you, start with a simple automation platform. To wrap up this segment, let's look at a scenario. Imagine you run a local bakery. You use CraftBuddy to whip up mouth-watering images of your latest treats. Smart Editor helps you write fun, inviting captions. And your scheduling tool ensures your posts reach people just before lunchtime, right when cravings hit. Your analytics dashboard then shows which treats get the most clicks, helping you plan for next week. The right set of tools doesn't just make social media easier, it makes it smarter. In our final segment, I'll recap today's lessons and share actionable steps you can start using right away for social media success. As we wrap up today's episode, let's quickly review what we've learned about mastering social media for small businesses. First, remember that not all platforms are created equal. The best results come from focusing your energy where your audience already spends their time. Whether it's Instagram for stunning visuals, Facebook for local connections, or LinkedIn for business networking, choose wisely and don't feel pressured to be everywhere at once. Second, content is king, but connection is queen. The most successful posts are the ones that feel authentic, provide value, and invite your audience into a conversation. Use storytelling, ask questions, and show the real human side of your business to truly resonate with your followers. Third, don't underestimate the power of AI marketing. Tools designed for content creation and personalization can save you hours each week and elevate the quality of your posts. Whether you're using a smart editor to refine your captions or a CraftBuddy to create eye-catching visuals, these solutions can turn social media from a chore into a creative playground. Fourth, equip yourself with essential small business tools like scheduling platforms and analytics dashboards. Automating your posting schedule and tracking your results will help you stay consistent and make data-driven decisions without the overwhelm. Now, let's put these lessons into action. Here are 5 steps you can take right after this episode. 1. Audit your current social platforms. Are you reaching your ideal audience where they actually hang out? 2. Spend 10 minutes brainstorming content ideas that tell your story or solve your customers' biggest challenges. 3. Try out an AI-powered tool for your next social post, just to see how much easier it can make things. 4. Set up a basic analytics routine, even if it's just checking your engagement numbers once a week. 5. Schedule a week's worth of posts in advance to free up your time and reduce day-to-day stress. Above all, remember that social media success is a journey. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn from your results, and refine your approach as you go. Every post is an opportunity to connect, inspire, and grow your business. Thank you for joining me on Effortless Marketing today. Next time, we'll explore how to turn your social followers into loyal customers with storytelling that sells. Until then, keep learning, keep experimenting, and enjoy those valuable marketing tips in the time it takes to sip your morning coffee.